Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to create bricks breaker game using ChatGPT. For that, guys, within few minutes, you can create. Okay. So for that, guys, just type create bricks breaker game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. So now ChatGPT will generate JavaScript, HTML, and CSS file. Okay. So let me open this. So already I have created three files, game.html, where I'll put HTML code. Okay. Save it. Now game.js, so let us go to CSS. Then let me copy the CSS game. So now let me go to game.js. So let me copy this. Let me paste it here. Okay. So yeah, game.html, if I double click it, it should launch our game. So now you can see I'm just playing the game and I got game over. So I was able to get to the few bricks. This simple program using ChatGPT. I know we complete in few minutes and we can design as many number of programs as we want. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're new here, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.